Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn off your HoneyBook Invoice credit card payment option? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn off the credit card payment option for one of your invoices anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that credit card fees can start to add up, especially if you're selling high-ticket items. So maybe one invoice is particularly high, so you want to turn off the credit card payment option. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to turn off the credit card payment option in one of your invoices, here on the top, you're going to go ahead and hover over Files. Next, you want to click on Invoices. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and just scroll through until you see the invoice you would like to turn the credit card payments off for. So for example, this one right here, and just click on the invoice. Okay, next you want to go ahead and click on Edit File here on the top right. Once you click on Edit File, you want to click on the invoice. Once you've clicked on the invoice here to the right, you're going to see this little pop-up, and you want to make sure you've clicked on Settings. Once you've clicked on Settings, you're going to see these two options, and you're going to click here, Set Payment Options. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and turn off the credit card payments. So as you can see, this particular invoice can be paid with credit card or bank account because both is in blue. However, if I only want to accept bank account transfers, I'm going to click here on bank account. Okay, now you can see bank account is blue, credit card is gray. That means that they cannot make a credit card payment, and you want to be sure to click Update and Share here on the top right. Okay, quick second later, you're going to see this pop up. So the changes were published. So now when my client is looking at this particular invoice, they're going to have the option to pay, but they're not going to be able to use a credit card. They're going to need to use a bank account transfer. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn off credit card payments in your book invoice, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.